Okay, let's take a look at how to configure trunking on our switch. First thing we want to do here is do a verification command, show interface trunk, just to show some of the existing modes or existing status of our different ports right now. We've got a few ports that are undesirable and they're set to trunking here. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up trunking on a couple of other ports. So notice this is set to desirable mode. You remember those different trunking modes. You've got trunk on, trunk off, trunk auto negotiate. There's desirable, there's non-negotiate. Sounds like the person who configured these and programmed these in the first place was going through a divorce at the time, but let's take a look at how to verify that configuration on one particular interface. Let's take a look at Fast Ethernet 0/7 and let's look at specifically at its trunking status. Notice 0/7 is desirable. It's set to not trunking. What we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to configure another interface here. We'll just pick another interface, Fast Ethernet 0/6. And we'll set it to switch port mode trunk. Do a question mark there. Notice you've got switch port mode access, dynamic or trunk. We'll set it up for trunking. And now let's go show interface Fast Ethernet 0/6 trunk. And notice the trunking mode is on. It's currently still not trunking because that particular port we don't have plugged up to another switch that's doing trunking. If it was connected to a device that was also doing trunking, the status here would be set to trunking. It's like we had when we did a show interface trunk. We have trunking mode set for Fast Ethernet 2, 3, 9, and 16. So that's how we set up trunking on our switch.